Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 in Leh, and we woke up, had our breakfast, got ready, and now we are heading towards sightseeing. So we will be doing sightseeing of Leh today. And besides that, today is a special day. Today is my sister's birthday, and I have made some arrangements and bought the cake yesterday from the market. I bought apricot cheesecake, and it was delicious. Okay, and let me show you some arrangements which I have made. So we reached our first destination. It's Shanti Stupa, and we can see the whole Ladakh from here. I can see the whole view of Leh from here. Let me show you. Shanti Stupa is a white domed stupa on the hilltops of Chanspa, which is at Leh, and was built in 1991 by a Japanese Buddhist bhikshu, and it was built as a part of Peace Pagoda mission. Now for our second destination, we have reached Gurudwara. Gurudwara Pattar Sahib is located in the Leh Kargil Road, and which was constructed in the memory and the honor of Guru Nanak Ji. This place of worship is associated with a very important event in the history of Sikh religion. It is popularly believed that during 1550 to 1580, when Guru Nanak Ji was returning to Punjab via Srinagar after traveling to Sikkim, Nepal, and Tibet, he had rested in this place. When he reached Leh, he sat here to meditate. While here, Guru Nanak Ji defeated a demon who was trying to crush him with the rock. However, the rock that the demon rolled down turned soft and melted instead of hitting him, and took on the Guru Nanak's shape. In 1970, the rock was discovered, and that is believed to be the one in the history. The Indian Army, along with the help of local people, constructed this Gurudwara to pay homage to this event. So we are in a third destination, that's Magnetic Hills. Majority of this place is you will see in the video. So it's a magnetic hill which defies the gravity. Yes, here the car is in neutral. Since it's a slope, it should move downwards, but the car moves upward. So there are many rumors behind it, like it's an illusion of the road or something, but it's one of the magical things to see. Which is located at Srinagar Leh Highway, and Sangam is the point where the river Indus and the river Zanskar join together. At Sangam point, there are many activities like bungee jumping, river rafting. So we came for river rafting in Sangam. It's for like 6 kilometer river rafting for 1 hour, per person 900 rupees. Hall of Fame. Here the entry ticket is 350 for adults, and for children 14 years, under 14 years it's free. The Hall of Fame in Leh, a place to feel pride. It's a museum constructed by Indian Army in the memory of brave Indian soldiers who laid down their life defending the motherland in Indo-Pakistan wars. The Hall of Fame Museum is located on the Leh Kargil Road, about 4 kilometers from the city of Leh. It stands as a reminder of the great sacrifices made by our soldiers to ensure the safety and security of our country. On the ground floor, there's a section which displays the history, culture, and associated facts with Ladakh. It also consists of a souvenir shop where you can buy several items. And if you move ahead, on the same ground floor, you will find a picture of a Kargil war on the walls. The picture provides elaborate and fascinating accounts of how Indian Army fought the war, and there was also a wall named Least We Forget, which displays the photographs of those soldiers who laid down their life defending our nation. It is a moving sight to come across and remind you of the enormous sacrifices made by our soldiers to ensure that our country is safe and secure. On the same ground floor, there is also a projection room where you can watch a documentary on Operation Vijay. So there was a 10-minute demo by a soldier who explained us how Indian Army achieved the success and what are the strategies used by them. And in that hall there are many equipments and apparels used by our soldiers, and it is quite fascinating. So it's end of day 2 in Leh. It's around 6:30 p.m. We have reached our hotel and we are chilling at the garden. It has so many beautiful flowers, and we are having tea and playing cards. We'll have a dinner and our day. It was amazing. And tomorrow we are going to Nubra Valley. So stay connected for vlog 3. And if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until then, bye.